program is surface other. Training methodology is a comprehensive program designed to cultivate a set of competencies essential for success in the realm of education and trainers. Trainers methodology isn't just an ordinary process, it is the gateway to a career-shaping mind, holding people, and inspiring witness.
Ronaldin, a professional trainer, begins to distribute flyers to interested students who eagerly takes them. Amy is a trainer implementing methods to enhance her training sessions. Ronnie notices Amy and approaches her.
Are you interested in improving your training techniques and maximizing your effectiveness as a trainer?
Oh, actually, I am. I've been looking for new techniques and methods to enhance my training skills. It's about training methodology.
So, training methodology is a comprehensive approach which combines new research and learning psychology with practical strategies for motivating and engaging learners. So, it's designed for trainers like you to create effective and more memorable training experiences.
That sounds interesting. Can you give me an example on how it differs from traditional training methods?
Unlike traditional methods that relies heavily on lectures and passive learning, trainers with to emphasizes interactive activities, group discussion, and hands-on learning. It is all about fostering active participation and real-world application of knowledge.
That sounds good. That sounds so like makes training such a board. And can I implement this training management into my training session?
Yeah, so here's the flyer for our workshop. So we offer workshops wherein you can learn the principles of training psychology and apply it at your own context. If you have any questions, don't
Okay, thank you very much. I will check this out and continue to apply this process. Thank you.
Yeah, I am confident that you'll find training psychology a valuable resource in your training journey. So happy training.
Amy held the flyer with a joyful grin, already planning her attendance at the workshop, wanting to take her training skills to the next level.
A trainer is someone who teaches and imparts knowledge to learners, helping them understand and master a particular subject or skill. On the other hand, an assessor is someone who evaluates and assesses the knowledge of skills of learners to determine their level of understanding and competency in a specific area. In summary, a trainer teaches and an assessor evaluates. Irene is a graduate edu teacher who wants to be a trainer or assessor, and several times he failed to be one. He asked for his friend Stephen, who is already a trainer and assessor, for advice.
Uy, Sai, kamusta?
Uy, pare!
Balita ko, pumasa ka sa test mo ah.
Nga pre, bagsak ako.
Ibagsak ka, bakit?
Hindi ko din alam pre.
Punta tayo.
Nag-prepare naman ako. Tapos, completo requirements ko. Tapos, bumagsak pa din ako.
Ano ba nangyari?
Hindi ko talaga alam pre. Uy, di ba trainer ka na nga pala?
Oo, trainer na ako.
May naman ako ng advice.
Advice ba pre? Total, 3 years na rin akong trainer. Advicean na lang din kita. Sa pagiging trainer ko, hindi kailangan ng skills tsaka mga required papers pre. Kailangan mo lang sa mga key aspect ng bilang trainer methodology is understanding the audience, setting objectives, at saka yung interactive learning mo pre.
Okay.
At syempre, tandaan mo yung mga sinasabi ng trainer mo, yung feedback nila,
Okay.
and assessment.
Okay.
Okay?
Importante din pala yung mga ganung bagay.
Oo pre, i-apply mo yun pag kumuha ka uli ng test mo.
Okay pare, take note ko yan.
Sige pare, don't give up bro.
Thank you sa advice, tol.
Cyril joined again, having all his requirements and those key aspects to become a trainer. With the dedication and knowledge that he has, he finally passed and is qualified to be a trainer.
Cyril walked into the house, head down and shoulders slumped. The test result weighed heavily on him, making him feel sad.
Oh, Sir, what happened to you?
Sak na naman na sa test, ma'am.
Cyril moms, Amy offered words of encouragement.
Maybe you can find another one that fits on your competency.
Maybe you're right, ma'am. I'll try again next time.
Okay, that's okay.
Cyril seek advice from her friend Magana.
Hey, magana!
Okay lang na po eh. Training natin sila. Saka hindi ko tayo lang competencies na but sa skills mo kaya tawag ito ibang way na pag-aaral kasi alam mo iba-iba naman yung way ng learning ng mga tao, di ba? Oo, ganun yun. Try mo lang ulit.
Tama ka. Try na lang ako ulit.
Yeah, try mo.
Thank you.
Cyril took initiative to seek clarification from the trainer.
Hey, what can I do for you? Gusto ko po kasi matutong mag-bend ng bakal. So, you want to learn to bend, how to bend? Yes, sir. So, watch me how to bend that bro. One, sir. Assistant.
Dot may mono.
So, kailangan yung bend natin. 90 degrees. Okay?
The trainer patiently explained the concept.
Gusto mo Yes, sir. Baka mabuti para hindi tayo hindi magulo yung pag-bend natin. Dito ka umawa pag bend ka. Tapos push mo ito. Okay, sir. Tama yan sa iyo? Ha? Understand? O, ito ngayon, ikaw naman yung sumubok. Yan yung pipe mo? Pipe pala, pipe dyan. Tapos, push mo dito. Push 90 degrees. Go! Up! Cyril! Mali. 105 degrees. Namobra ka sa kota natin.
The trainer noticed Cyril's struggle and offered assistance.
90 degrees, ha? 90 degrees. Try yan, okay? Don't be nervous. Just go with the flow. Okay, 90 degrees. Yes, sir. Go. Whoop. Nice one, Cyril. Nice one. Sige ya.
With practice and guidance, Cyril's confidence grew.